In this video, we'll walk you through launching the NeurOptimal software to start a session. First, go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi to allow the system to check for updates and validate the software license. Left-click on the trackpad or single tap on the screen on the Internet icon in the lower right corner of the screen. In the window that appears, left-click or single tap on the arrow next to the Internet icon. Next, left-click or single tap on your local network from the list. We recommend leaving the box checked to automatically connect to your home or business Wi-Fi for uninterrupted use of the system. The software license must validate at least once every 7 days, but don't worry, it does this automatically as long as you're connected to Wi-Fi. After checking the box, left-click or single tap Connect. Enter your password. After entering your password, left-click or single tap Next. To access manuals and how-to guides on the system, left-click or single tap on the Windows icon in the lower left corner of the screen. Feel free to left-click or single tap on the Manual, Getting Started Guide, Technical Support, or Self-Help Guide at any time. These resources are here to help. Please only use the system for NeurOptimal sessions. Do not use any other programs, including the Internet browser, unless instructed otherwise. The NeurOptimal software uses a lot of system resources, and we find the systems run more smoothly this way. Now you're ready to launch NeurOptimal. Left-click or single tap on the NeurOptimal logo in the taskbar. The software may take several minutes to load. Please be patient and don't close out any windows that come up or attempt to reboot the system while launching. This is the perfect time to apply the sensors as you wait for the software to fully load. Four windows should appear: the Vault, Media Player, GeForce, and the Media Center. The Media Center is usually minimized at startup, so don't worry if you don't see it. If your system has a limited number of sessions, your Vault will look a little different. The number of sessions remaining will be displayed in the upper right corner of the Vault. Please refer to the inventory sheet included in the shipping box with your system or your rental contract to see how many sessions are available for your use. Now you're ready to start a session. Double left-click on the trackpad or double tap on the screen on the client. Double-click here to start a session. Please be patient. It may take a few moments for the session to begin. Once the session starts, make sure the timer in the lower right corner of the media player is counting down. If your system has a limited number of sessions, you have 5 minutes to end the session once started if you do not wish for it to be deducted from your session bank. If you need to end a session prematurely for any reason, please make sure it is prior to the 5-minute mark. Because the feedback is audible, there is no need to watch the screen. Just make sure the volume on the system is loud enough for you to hear. To adjust the volume, left-click or single tap the speaker icon in the lower right corner of the screen. You can listen through headphones or the tablet speakers, whichever is more comfortable for you. You'll hear skips in the sound. This is the feedback. If you don't hear sound during a session, left-click or single tap the speaker icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Next, left-click or single tap the speaker icon to the right of the volume slider to select a different playback device. Feel free to do whatever you like during a session, as long as the sensors remain attached to the scalp and ears and you can hear the session audio. There is no need to consciously attend to the audio. your brain is listening. You can minimize, maximize, and rearrange windows as you like during the session. If you would like to see the G-force visualization in full screen mode, right-click on the trackpad or long tap on the screen on the G-force window to show the right-click menu. Left-click or tap Enter Exit Full Screen. To exit full screen mode, right-click or long tap to show the right-click menu. Left-click or tap Enter Exit Full Screen. The session will end automatically at the 33-minute mark. If you're interested in listening to different music or watching movies during your sessions, please watch our next video, Selecting Alternate Media. If you're done running sessions for the day, please watch our video about how to properly shut down the NeurOptimal software and system.